Hey family, this is Darlene. I wanted to come today and do a really quick video. Quick in the sense that I've had a number of questions from my Instagram followers, YouTube subscribers, and also emails from jewelry makers. And the question is, do you enjoy selling on Etsy? What are the benefits of selling on Etsy? And do you think it's worth selling on Etsy? Okay, one, two. Yes, no. Okay, yes, because what happened with Etsy allows a platform for potential customers to get a snapshot of your company's integrity. What do I mean by that? I mean that Etsy allows for an archive of the items that you have sold, in addition to allowing for customers to post reviews, right? So let's say in my case, my Etsy has about, I want to say 17 or 18 reviews, and I've had 55 sales. And keeping in mind, a lot of the sales go through my website. So what happens is some customers will go to my Etsy shop and they'll see that I got really good reviews, really good product, I have a sales record. So what they'll do is they'll leave Etsy and go to my jewelrybybdk.com website and make a purchase. But why do they do that? They do that because Etsy has given them a face to my business, in the sense that there are reviews, they're positive reviews. My shop is filled with product, is good quality product, and so on and so forth. So that gives the potential buyer an idea about the integrity and makeup of my business, which is a goodie. So that's a plus for Etsy. The negative for Etsy for me is all the fees. So you have to pay that 20 cents to post. And let's say if you have 10 of an item and one of those items sell, so each time it gets reposted, that's another 20 cents. So in addition to the percentage that Etsy gets from each one of your sales, right? Also, with the postage, so then you're paying a percentage on your postage. So there's a lot of fees that are incorporated in the convenience of being able to sell on Etsy. So that's the downside to me. The plus for me in having the jewelrybybdk.com website is, once a potential customer goes to my Etsy shop, they can look at it, they can see the integrity of the company, they can see their really good reviews, so on and so forth, and then they go to the website. So what happens for me is I want to always navigate my current customers, in addition to my potential customers, from Etsy to my Jewelry by BDK website. And I think what I need to do is get a little bit better at posting more product on jewelrybybdk.com. I be slacking in that area. I ain't gonna even lie to you. I do put a lot more product on Etsy, and I think I do that only because it's more convenient. Who knows? My thoughts on why I think you should have an Etsy shop and an actual website, especially in the very beginning, because think about it, how many websites have we gone to and you want to purchase something, but you're not familiar with the integrity of that business. It's like, okay, well, I like the product, I like the setup, it looks clean, it looks like it's legit, but you don't know, because you don't know the company, right? But with an Etsy shop, and you have sales and reviews and all that good stuff on Etsy, it gives a potential customer some insight to the integrity of the company. So once that's established, then you can really start building your .com. And another thing about Etsy, what happens is it's automatic, and it's a must that they include their email addresses. So if you think about it, when you have your website, we may put that little invite box, 15% off an item for your email address, right? A lot of people will pass that up because they're thinking spam. But with Etsy, it's mandatory that customers input or leave an email address. So guess what? That captures email addresses. So that's another plus for having an Etsy shop. So I hope that answers. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe, because what I'm trying to do is get about 1,000 subscribers. So this party can really get started, okay? If you like the videos, go ahead and like the video. And when you do subscribe, be sure to hit that little bell button right there, and also click all. Then that way you will be able to see or at least you'll be notified each time I upload a new video, which is hopefully going to be often, okay? Because I'm getting into the habit of more turning on the camera to record as I make things, and just kind of build the business. So anyway, Darlene Knight, Jewelry by BDK. Thanks for watching.